Hello, everybody. Morning, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is around the world. I'm Jo Wilmshurst. I'm chair of the scientific committee for the ICNC 2024, which is happening in Cape Town in May the 6th until the 10th. 2024, and I'm delighted to have my co-colleagues here. So Elaine Wirrell, Prof. Elaine Wirrell is my deputy chair for the Congress organisation. And Nicola Specchio, Prof. Nicola Specchio, is the lead for a very exciting workshop that we're going to chat about now as a great opportunity for junior delegates to attend during the Congress. So with great pleasure in relation to the research methodology workshop, I just want to start with talking about where the concept came from. And my colleague Elaine actually established this. It was her brainchild at the Turkey Congress 2 years ago. Elaine, would you like to tell us a little bit about the concept?
Sure. So the goal of the research methodology course at the last Congress was really to involve junior members and really teach them sort of a hands-on approach, how to do clinical research and design clinical trials. And so what we did is it was open to junior members. We had selected up to 40 junior members and then had a number of mentors, split the group into small groups. So there was maybe 3 to 4 junior members working with a couple of more senior colleagues. And those colleagues were actually given a research question, and they had to work together in their group and with their mentor to design a study that would answer that research question. And then at the end, they presented those studies to our entire group and got feedback on that. We also had some short talks just on designing specific types of studies. But I think the exciting part of that was really to have the hands-on and have them work together in the groups.
So having had the privilege of being there and seeing how well it was organized, I think one of the things that we learned from that was how incredibly receptive the group were and what could be achieved. And that was in a, 2.5-hour period?
That was not long enough. And I think that, Nicola's plan this year to expand that is a wonderful one.
Absolutely. So with great pleasure, I'd like to hand over to Nicola to really say what's now grown out of that concept for what we've planned for the Congress this year.
Thank you, Jo, and hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to have this research methodology workshop again confirmed for the next ICNC 2024, which will be held in Cape Town under the umbrella, of course, of Jo and all the friends in South Africa. The research methodology this year is going to be, again, exciting experience for all junior attendees and physicians that they wanted to make connection, that they wanted to improve their abilities to design a research project. And we will try, me, Jo, Elaine, and the other more than 20 tutors that we will have in the research methodology workshop. We will try to make these as easiest as possible. And we will start with different topics. So one will be systematic review. A second one, which I like very much, is the basic science and early in vivo research. And we will have basic scientists also in the tutoring group, which is really great for us. And then we have another 2 topics. The one is on the clinical trials, and which is going to be divided in the early drug implementation and the clinical translation. And then the last one, but so also very much interesting, is the epidemiology studies, data collection studies. All of those topics will be treated and will be discussed with you guys over 4 days, a full 4 days activities. We will start on day 1 with the presentation of the workshop. We will have we will meet each other, and then there will be the quiz done by Elaine, and the pre-reading materials should be is something very much important to have this successful workshop. So we will send you guys some materials to be studied, to be read before the meeting. And then from the day 2 to the day 4, we will have the meet together sessions. So we will meet every day, morning or afternoon. And then last day, once the project is in place, you will have the chance to present in plenary sessions. So I think it's going to be really exciting, and there is a lot of learning here. And lastly, let me make a point on the selection criteria. Of course, we will have a small number of bursaries for you guys, but there are selections, and we need to have junior trainee, early career child neurologist, and we need to have your CV, a justification with a narrative of why would you like to be included in this research methodology, and then a letter of support of your supervisors, and definitely last but not least, of course, which is the most important thing, you need to be a member of the International Child Neurology Association. So I'm glad to chair this meeting, and with the support of all the friends and colleagues, and hope to meet you soon in Cape Town. Thank you.
Oh, Nicola, that's fantastic. Thank you. And so the next stage is that we'll be having this posted up on the website with more information. And we really want to encourage a lot of enthusiasm to apply for this workshop. It's going to be a lot of fun and a great opportunity to engage with the mentors, to challenge each other, to see about the different projects that are being put together, and to really understand how to put together research methodology in a good and appropriate way. So I want to encourage all of you to engage and to reach out to us if you have any further questions, please. Thank you very much.